Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Garden on My Mind. So what's on my mind today? This beautiful and attractive spider plant. So come with me. Spider plants are highly recommended for beginners because it is very easy to maintain, propagate, and it's impossible to kill these plants. Spider plants also have air purifying qualities. NASA did a research between 1980 to 1990 and the studies show that these plants can remove 95% of indoor chemicals like formaldehyde, toluene and xylene. These chemicals are mainly found in building materials, wooden furniture and paints. So you can say spider plants detoxifies the air. Though one plant may not purify the whole room and you would need quite a few. Spider plants are native of South Africa and apparently there are 65 varieties. Globally, only 3 varieties are very common. First of which is this one, which is green in the middle with yellow borders. The second one would be yellow in the middle with green borders and the third is all green. Unfortunately, I have only this variety. So 3 things to keep in mind to maintain spider plants are temperature, watering and fertilization. Spider plants do very well in temperatures between 15 degrees to 25 degrees Celsius. The summers may seem difficult for them to survive as you may notice yellowing or browning of tips. Heat can also curl up the leaves. You can help the plants by keeping them away from heat and direct sunlight, increase the frequency of watering and prune the dry leaves. The only luxury spider plants need is watering with filtered water, as this will help prevent buildup of salts and fluoride in the soil. These buildup causes the browning of the tips. Spider plants are pot bound and their rhizomes help retain water. Water them when the soil is completely dry and water till it starts draining from the pots. This will ensure that the roots are properly watered. If your plants have pups, spray water every day to keep them fresh and growing. Give your spider plants a shower once a week to help them thrive. Fertilizing once in 3 months is fine. Spider plants do not like over-fertilization and this may turn the tips of the leaves brown. Vermicompost, seaweed extract, cow manure are fine to fertilize these with. Watch out for browning of the leaves, which might be because of these following reasons: hot weather, overwatering and over-fertilization. Propagating spider plants is very easy. If your spider plant is healthy, you will see tiny flowers coming out. And those flowers will become pups like this. These are huge pups. So today I'll show you how to propagate from these pups. So all you have to do is just cut them. See, this stem as I was talking about has 4 pups. So we can divide them. These pups have tiny shoots down below. So the way to propagate it, it can directly go to the soil or you can put it in water for the roots to come out so that it becomes easier to repot it. I'll show you something like this. These pups should ideally be potted in a mix of 50% soil, 25% coco peat and 25% compost. The pups can directly be pushed into the soil or the ones propagated in water can be moved to soil medium for faster growth. Another important aspect to keep in mind is that spider plants are root bound and they outlive the pot size very quickly. And you may see the roots showing from the bottom of the pot. This is the time for repotting them into larger pots for growth. hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Till then, happy gardening. Bye.